Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to our daily challenge of day 21, where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 every single month in net profit. Now, we are currently at 5,979, let's just call it 6,000 listings that are running on our store. Let's go ahead and check out our sales. Alright, so we had 1 and 2 orders that came in today. One of them was 31.50 at a 50% markup. The other one is 20.60 at a 60% markup. So 2 sales in total. Let's go and check our traffic. All right. So as you guys can see, 250,000 total impressions, including organic and promoted listing. Let's go and check our listing views. We've had very close to 1,000, if not 1,000 listing views that came in. Moving on to our sales. We've had about 2 organic sales that came in through 1,000 listing views. In the last 30 days, we had close to 3.5 million impressions. Our listing view count at the moment is 4,552, and our quantity sold for today is about 40. So 4 that came in the next day. So we are at 40 sales. Our click-through rate is 0.1%, while our sales conversion rate is 1%. So it's about getting stabilized. We are past 5,000. We're nearly at 6,000 active listings that are currently running in our store. Guys, remember, 4.1% promoted listings. That's for the general advertising. You're running 24 hourly, 5% coupon, taking care of your customers, answering messages on time, uploading tracking details. For those who are curious, I'm using Aqualine tracking details for my tracking, which means that I convert the Amazon tracking into Aqualine tracking, and I upload the Aqualine tracking onto my eBay as a tracking detail because eBay recognizes Aqualine tracking services. Okay, I hope this was helpful. That is it for today's update. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video where we'll be keep scaling more and more, listing more items. So stay tuned. See you guys the next day.